What's happening with mortgage rates and where will they go from here? We'll answer that shortly. Hi neighbors, Jorge Reyna here, your local Northern Virginia Realtor. And today we're going to be talking about mortgage rates. In 2020, it was all the rage. Rates dropped to major historical levels, causing a surge in buyers wanting to capitalize on those rates. But things have changed in 2022. Last year we talked that rates were expected to climb towards mid-threes. Looking at this chart from the primary mortgage market survey from Freddie Mac, the average 30-year fixed rate in January 2021 were around 2.74%. And by the end of the year, they got to 3.1%, so just shy of the mid-threes that we predicted. But rates have now shot up to 4.42% since January of this year, a 1.3% increase from the end of last year. As you can see on the chart, mortgage rate movement throughout 2021 was steady compared to the rapid increase in mortgage rates this year. But why such a drastic change, and how will this affect the market? Well, Sam Cater, chief economist at Freddie Mac, said in a recent press release, the 30-year fixed rate mortgage increased by more than 0.25% as mortgage rates across all loan types continue to move up. Rising inflation, escalating geopolitical uncertainty, and the Federal Reserve's action are driving rates higher and weakening consumers' purchasing power. So where are mortgage rates going to go from here? Well, many economists are predicting rates are going to continue to go up into the 4s, possibly 5s, but maybe not jump so quickly as it has recently. Len Kiefer, deputy chief economist at Freddie Mac, says mortgage rates are likely to continue to move higher throughout 2022, although the pace of rate increase is likely to be moderate. And now the big question. What does this mean if you want to buy a house or even sell your house? With both mortgage rates and home values expected to increase throughout the year, it would be better to buy sooner rather than later if you're able to. That's because it'll cost you more the longer you wait. But there is a possible silver lining to buying a home right now. While you'll be paying a higher price and a higher mortgage rate than you would have last year, rising prices do have a long-term benefit once you buy. To put that into perspective, Pulse Economics conducted a survey based on the substantial growth in equity that comes with escalation in home prices. This was a survey panel of over 100 economists, investment strategists, and housing market analysis about their expectation for future home prices in the United States. The survey reveals that on average, the forecast calls for a 9% increase in home value in 2022. In layman's terms, you're going to get more equity as prices rises once you buy, unless there's a crash. But that's another video. Continuing on, when you own, every time you pay your mortgage, you're paying yourself, saving you money in the long run and increasing your equity. Now, if you're wanting to sell, now is the best time. If you wait, yes, your home value will increase, but your next home will be more expensive and rates will likely be higher. Better to sell now and capitalize on current rates and values. Bottom line, paying a higher price for your home and a higher mortgage rate can be a difficult pill to swallow. However, waiting will just cost you more. If you're ready, willing, and able to buy a home, now will be a better time than a year or even 6 months from now. Well, that's all I have for now. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button to see the latest tips, news, and market updates. And remember, it's about you and the place you call home. Thanks.